Welcome to week 7 of the Leukopak Lady. We're now crossing the halfway point of this first season of the series. This week, I will talk about cryopreservation of leukopaks and why this is an essential part of the reliable supply chain for starting materials, and I will also review the myths, benefits, and problems with cryopreservation this week. Cryopreservation is a hot-button issue in cell and gene therapy, and it seems that people are either fiercely in favor or strongly against it, and rarely in between. I'd say that I'm a strong proponent of this practice, especially with starting materials, but I also recognize that cryopreservation is not suitable for all product types, all cell types, or all logistical situations. But I think those who've had negative experiences and results from cryopreserved cells tend to believe that this practice is not suitable in any situation. And I hope the next few episodes help quell some confusion here. But before diving into the myths, benefits, and problems with cryo, I want to talk about cryo in the context of leukopak logistics, kind of a continuation of last week's discussion. Cryopreserved leukopaks can be a logistical lifesaver when the donors fail to show up for their collection appointments or when there are unexpected delays in overnight shipping. Developers who have cryopreservation as part of their workflow have much more flexibility to receive their leukopak order and start their development and manufacturing runs. They also avoid the losses that can occur when the run prep starts days before the run actually begins, and they also sidestep shipping delays due to weather, lost packages, and courier mistakes. And from a logistical standpoint, cryopreservation does have its downsides as well. First of all, it takes foresight and development work to optimize a process for the use of cryopreserved material, and this can cause delays in the developmental timeline of a specific therapy. It also requires the use of collectors with strong expertise in cryopreservation and a track record of producing good quality products. And this is both the collected product itself and the cryopreserved product. And unfortunately, not everybody can perform cryopreservation well. It can also be expensive and risky to ship a cryopreserved leukopak in a liquid nitrogen dewar in a way that's compliant with GMP regulations, especially when much of the shipment is out of the control of both the collector and the developer. I personally believe that overall, the benefits of cryopreservation, both from the logistical and technical sides, far outweigh the problems. And over the next 2 episodes of the Leukopak Lady, I will discuss those benefits and problems, as well as some myths that have been largely debunked with good data. See you then.